Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the arrays. Okay, so what we are going to see in this video today, first of all we see definition of array. Okay, next we will see syntax. Okay, then we will take some example. Then we will see single array example. Okay, and multi dimension array. Okay, or two dimensional array. Okay, so these things we are going to discuss about in this video. Okay, so first of all we discuss what is the array. Okay, so basically the array is a collection of elements, okay, which we are going to store in the continuously in memory. Okay, so that is the array. See, and we can also say that array is a like in a single variable, we can store multiple value, or we can initialize, or in the same data types. Like if we are doing we are creating some integer. See, sorry, this is the variable I created, okay, as a number. Okay, with the data types. Okay, so similar number, whether it is integer, okay, same data type which we have to store in a single variable. It means array is a collection of elements, okay, where we are going to store in the continuously in the memory, and we can set it in a single variable. This is one type of variable, okay, number. So in this we can store multiple value. Okay, multiple value we can store or initialize. Okay, this is what the array we can say that. Okay, I hope you are clear. So see, we will see the general syntax of array. Okay, so see, so first of all, we'll take data types. Okay, then arrays name. Okay, and then size of array. Okay, size of array. So this is the general syntax of array. Okay, so let's see. So for data type means take integer. This is data type. Array name any type number. This is the size of array means 5 is the size of array. Okay, we can write 10. It's up to you. Okay, so this is the general syntax of array. Okay, okay, or declaration, okay, of array. Okay, so now we will see initialize. Okay, we have to initialize some value in this variable. Okay, so size is 5. Okay, so okay, I'm writing here. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is the declaration with initialization of array. Okay, so this is declaration, this is variable which we are storing the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the number. Okay, so this is the declaration and initialization of array. Okay, see, now we will see single array. Okay, so in single array means like see, variable is same, only one. Okay, with the data types. Okay, 5. Okay, so this is the single array, we can say that, okay, because we are created only one array of size 5, okay, okay, and we are storing in that variable number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is single arrays, okay. Coming to the multi-dimensional or two-dimensional array. So how we can declare or initialize the value in two dimension or multi-dimensional array, okay. So see, created in the data type number. So take three matrix, okay, three row, and so this is for row, this is for column, okay. So let's take 1 2 3. So see, we know, right, this matrix we already study, right, in math, right. So this is called row, okay. How many row? Three row. 1 2 3. Column 3. 1 2 3, okay. So in row 3 taken, take any number. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We can, if we will draw the matrix signal, we can easily understand, right, okay. So this is the, what I said, sorry, this is like that we can write it. So this is rows, this is column, okay. This is the row, one row, two row, three row, this is the column, okay. So three matrix we are given, three. So three row, three column is there, okay. So in uh, first row or first column, we have to create three row and three columns. So let's see, 3 4 5 6, okay, then again 7 8 9, okay, close the bracket, okay, correct, right. So there is three row and three column we are uh, created, right, okay. So here 1 2 3 1 2 3 as a row, okay. 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, 7 8. So like that we can create multi-dimensional of two array, okay. So now this is the like general concept for array. These things we have to know, basic of array, okay. If you know these things, after we will see how to declare the single arrays, how we can access, okay, of that elements, okay. See, if you want to access this is the zero index, right, and array we know, right. So array is one like we can say that is protocol when the index is started from zero only. See, we have given size of 5, okay. So now if I want to access this, okay, how can we access? So it, the index is starting from always 0, we have to keep in mind, okay. So if you want to access number of index of 0, okay. So index, as I said, index is starting from 0 only. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, okay. So instead 1 is index of 0 means 1 here, okay. Index of 1 means 2 here, index of 2 means 3 here, index of 3 means 4 here, index of 4 means 5 here, because it's started from 0. So we have to count from 0, okay. Okay, index, this is the index, okay, index, okay, 0 1 2 3 4, okay. So now see here, if you are going to print index of 0, okay, okay, then it will print 1, okay. See, if you print number index of 4, okay. So we will see what is the index of 4. 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 is the value, the output is 5, okay. So like that we can access. Okay, in multi-dimension same means 0 0 1 1 2 2, right? If you want to access, see index of number 0 0. Okay, what is the output here? It will get, what is the 0 0. Okay, row in 0 0 column, what is the index of 0? This one, so 1 is the output. Okay, like that you can index of 0 in rows and index of 1 in columns. What is the output? 2. Like that we can print. Okay, so this is what the like arrays. Okay, in next video we will see with the some of example, proper example. We will take the single array. Okay, and I will explain. Okay.